Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix add friends button not showing on the Facebook on your app. So if you're using iPhone or Android, the process will be pretty much the same. Alright, so there's few reasons basically why add friend button not showing on Facebook. So if you want to invite friends, one of the reasons is that people on their settings set it up that they cannot basically get new friend request notifications like famous people or other people that they don't want to get any friends. And another option is that chances are, if you're not seeing a add friend button, that particular person that you're trying to add friends is blocked. And another, for example, if for your account there is no add friends button, what you can do here is to go on three little horizontal lines that is on the bottom if you're using iPhone, or if you're using Android, these lines will be on the top, and then go on the bottom until you see settings, and then go on privacy settings. And here, as you can see here, who can send you friend requests? For me, friends of friends. And basically it can be for you the option no one. So basically, if you want to that everyone will send you will have ability to send you a friend request, press on everyone, and on your profile it should appear add friend button. All right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.